Good morning and welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it is very important to know how to use YouTube. It's the biggest platform for the social media, and we must take the advantage of it for the betterment of the society. Am I right? Yeah. So, see, certain things we have to care. The basic needs of a human being are education and entertainment. And YouTube provides audio visual facilities. So we have to think what should be our motto, aim, why people choose it, what should be the contents, what should be the language and your area of operation, who watches more who watches more YouTube, right? So there are different categories of people in the society: the old, the young, the woman, the student, business people, many other professionals, and subjects relating to education, entertainment, motivation, marketing, all these things we found in one platform, that is YouTube. But my dear YouTubers, we have to focus on uh, YouTube. Why? For one reason: some for education, some for entertainment, some for motivation, some for marketing. And people who deal with education are really respected, and they are worthy for the society, for the nation, for the continent, for the world. Yeah, this is true. Okay. Now, for entertainment YouTubers, it is very important for them editing in a right way. So there are many channels which guides you for editing. You can watch them. But for the people of education, no need of more editing. They should focus on contents. The better content, the more will be the benefit to the students' mass, the future of our nation. Am I right? Yes. Moreover, it is a channel for learning and earning. So, earning is necessary for some people, but learning is necessary for all. We must have to think about this. Yeah, we must have to think about this. So, whenever we are going to choose this YouTube, Google, and all other things, we must prepare a nice content in, gorgeous way, so that the students or the peoples or the viewers or the, marketing people can get the full advantage of this. And people who begin now, the initial stage is important for them. They should not make very big or lengthy videos. They should make very small one. Must be educating and entertaining. The size of the video is always very important thing. Otherwise, it will be boring for some people to watch. And later stages, after getting the popularity, after creating identity in the YouTube, you can gradually increase the size of the video. Then you need not be worried how you can be popular. It all important is how to select the contents. What are the needs of the people? How can we help the people from all around? This is the big point we have to focus on. Okay? Yes. In this regard, we must be thankful to various apps. They are providing sufficient help to the creators to create, to the watchers to watch. Right? For example, KineMaster, you can see VN, you can see then Vidmet, you can see all the editing, and Pixel is most important thing. They are providing background pictures freely. Yeah, we should not forget their contribution to the YouTube. Actually, today YouTube is growing because of these people. So see what kind of service they are rendering to the YouTubers. We are always indebted to them. Similarly, YouTube audio library, some free musics they are providing us, by which we are able to entertain, the people. If they don't exist, what would happen? Think once. And I am really thankful, very, very thankful to all these free apps, those who are providing for audio and video section, mainly Pixel one and KineMaster one, and some other apps, uh, and other media such as Google, yes, and Chrome, by which education YouTubers are much you know benefited, because they provide contents, and those contents and lines are useful for all the students mass. Yeah, by using all these weapons we are able to be a good YouTuber. Therefore, by the dedication of these apps or these creators, we must have to learn what we can dedicate for the sake of the people or the nation or the world together. So, my dear YouTubers, my friends, and it is really important for us that we should make such a videos that which can provide light, I mean knowledge, power, income, prosperity, happiness, peace, all these things to the people, then our labor will be fruitful. Yeah, fruitful. Yes. That's why it is an appeal, it is a request that we should work together to improve the platform. We should work together to help the people, particularly the needy people, the student mass, and other sections of the society also, to grow, their learning and earning together. Thank you very much. Thank you
Thank
very
you very
much for
much.
watching.